Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today, we are diving into some interesting language tips. We'll be looking at how to choose the right words to fill in the blanks in a sentence. Let's get started. Here's our first sentence. Just as we bury our faces in our mobile devices on the morning commute, did Victorians with the latest penny fiction. Which option suits here? Let's see now. We have the options, so too, as well, neither, whether. The correct option here is so too. Why? Because so too is used to draw a parallel between two actions. In this case, it connects our modern habit of using mobile devices with the Victorian habit of reading penny fiction. For example, just as we enjoy streaming movies today, so too did people in the past enjoy going to the theatre. Now, let's look at why the other options don't work. Firstly, as well is used to add information, not to draw a parallel. Secondly, neither is used to negate both parts of a statement, which doesn't fit here. Thirdly, whether is used to introduce alternatives or possibilities, which is not the case here. Next up, perhaps the best-known serialized novels were the Penny Dreadfuls, just one old penny. Here, our options are costing, have costed, cost, costed. The correct option is costing. This form describes the ongoing price of the Penny Dreadfuls. For example, the tickets, costing only a few dollars, were sold out quickly. Why not the others? Have costed is incorrect because costed is not the right past participle of cost. Cost is. Cost would be correct if the sentence were in the past tense, but here it describes an ongoing price. Costed is actually a valid form, but it is used in specific contexts, typically in accounting or financial terms, where it means to estimate the cost of something. For example, the project was costed at $1 million. In the context of the sentence about the Penny Dreadfuls, we are talking about the price they were sold for, not an estimation or calculation of cost. Therefore, costed is not appropriate here. So, the correct options focus on the actual price of the Penny Dreadfuls, which is why costing is the right choice. Moving on, so they borrowed from circulating libraries, Moody's founded 1842, here, our options are, such as, other than, that is, and as to. The correct option is such as. This phrase is used to introduce examples. For example, many fruits, such as apples and oranges, are rich in vitamins. Why not the others? Other than is used to exclude something, which doesn't fit here. That is used to clarify or restate something, not to introduce examples. As to is not commonly used in English. Finally, for the wealthier classes who, first editions, we have options to choose from, could afford, having afforded, and affording. The correct option is could afford. This is the correct past tense form to describe the ability of the wealthier classes to buy first editions. For example, only a few people could afford luxury cars back then. Why not the others? Afford is the base form and doesn't fit the past tense context. Having afforded is a past perfect form, which is not needed here. Affording is the present participle form and doesn't fit the past tense context. That's it for today's language tips. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you next time.